Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Nisha this side. Today is a very very chaotic day. दिन भी नहीं actually रात हो चुकी है and मुझे कल रात या फिर अर्ली मॉर्निंग पर मतलब नेक्स्ट डे का इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी टू फिगर आउट. आई हैव टू कैच अ फ्लाइट टू होम और मेरे को पैकिंग करनी है, घर साफ करना है एंड आई हैव फ्यू वीडियोस टू एडिट एंड ऑल्सो I have opened a very intimate club which is called MailPal. For now, it is open for my design account where I'm gonna send my handwritten notes and stuff to people who have subscribed to this club, and they'll also receive a print of my painting as an appreciation. So this month, November month, is the pilot first episode. So I have around like 20 to 23 people who have subscribed to this, and only to these people it's gonna remain free for 2 months. Rest the other people, whoever joins, there will be a joining fee. So अभी मुझे वो सारे मेल्स जो हैं वो भेजने हैं, ओके एंड मुझे थोड़ा लेट हो गया. आई वाज सपोज टू सेंड दीज मेल्स आउट बाय 25 November, but apparently I did inform in my office that I was gonna go on this vacation, and for some reason they didn't plan projects, and now they think that I can't close 5 to 6 big projects within a week. I'm not sure how they're thinking about it, but yeah, anyways. So technically I've been really occupied with work in general, office work, but yeah, this is also something that I have to wrap up. So this is what I'm going to do right now. So sequentially we're going to just do things. The first thing that I'm going to do is just let me just pack all these MailPal stuffs for the pilot episode. I hope this goes well. And yes, before we do that, let me actually show you all the supplies that I've gotten for the first episode. And the idea is why I kept it free for 2 months, because before charging anything, I really wanted to figure out like what is the cost per person, which includes the effort, which includes the time that goes, the supplies cost, mailing, in everything like that. So yeah, that's why I kept it free for two episodes, technically 2 months. So yes, let me quickly show you what all I have gotten in terms of like whatever I need for these things to be done. Okay, so the first thing first is that I have handwritten notes. Technically, I have designed them, or rather, I've done them in my iPad Procreate way. So these are all the prints. Yeah, so these are all the prints that I have to cut and like arrange them. As I was telling you about the token of appreciation, which is technically a print of my painting. So these are all the prints. So this is for the pilot November episode ka print painting, and yeah, I really enjoyed painting this one. So yes, those are all the prints. Then I have the other supplies in general, as in the polythene bag and the envelopes that I need. I also have a thread to just arrange all the pages of the article. And I also have a tissue paper kind of thingy, technically like a wrapping paper something, just for the sake of decoration. So yeah, these are the things that I have. And I have to prepare about 23 to be exact, which are to be prepared. I have also rolled out a Google form for whoever have subscribed for this first episode, so that I can get their postal addresses and everything, every other information that I may need for these mails to be sent out properly to the destination. And yes, I'm gonna write everything down, and yeah, hopefully I'll be get done with it soon. Okay, so I think it has been about like 2 hours, and I've been packing all the mails. I mean, constantly. Let me just show you. So I have packed total 25. There are total 25 members for the first episode. And I have received postal addresses for 15 of them. So rest the other 15, I'm gonna take last submissions tomorrow. So if they I mean, somehow possibly are able to give the postal addresses, then I'll be able to provide them the mails. Rest, I'm just gonna let it be. So that's okay. And I have also made myself a cup of tea because I'm extremely tired and the work is not done yet. Yeah, I know. And अभी रात के कितने बज रहे हैं? I think दो बज रहे हैं. I'm watching Stranger Things, by the way. I've already watched season 5. Oh God, I loved the 4 episodes that have come out. And I mean, it was crazy. The last episode, the fourth episode, was amazing. The cliffhanger, oh my god. Duffer Brothers, you have done a great job. I'm just gonna enjoy my tea. I'm gonna take a little bit of rest, complete the mails. I have yet to write the addresses and all, so that's what I'm doing as of now. And then I'll probably move on to just do some cleaning. Then we'll see how much work we can get done with by tonight. Hello everyone, good morning. सुबह जग के अभी कितना 9-10 बज रहा है ना, कॉटन रेडी एंड मैं अपने मेल्स भेजने जा रही हूँ. उसके बाद आई हैव अ लिटिल मोर वर्क टू डू एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट पैकिंग. सो लेट्स गो, वी नीड टू मेल दीज. मेल्स हैव बीन डन. जितने लोगों ने अपने पोस्टल एड्रेसेस प्रॉपर्ली सबमिट किए थे उन सबका मेल पूरा कर दिया मैंने. नाउ आई विल वन लास्ट टाइम आस्क फॉर द पोस्टल एड्रेसेस इफ पीपल सबमिटेड. I'll mail it. If not, then I'm gonna let it be. Now I'm gonna head home and do rest of the day. So now I've started doing all the packing and stuff. पहला काम मैंने शुरू किया है with sorting out the jewelry. कुछ ज्वेलरी है जो मुझे लेके जानी, कुछ ज्वेलरी है जो मैंने नई ऑर्डर की थी, that I have to keep with me. And yes, let me just show it to you quickly. So ये सब अभी थोड़ा नया सामान आया था तो अनपैक किया and all of that. Ignore all the mess that's going in the background. But yeah, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, some 3-4 levels of stuff that I'm gonna take. This is not, ये मैं नहीं लेके जा रही हूँ. But I have to sort out the makeup, I have to sort out clothes and other things that I have to take with me. Yes. So I'm at the airport. I'm actually at the gate and अभी 6:30 बज रहा है. I have luckily found a corner where I can sit, eat and also tell you what has happened so far. Oh, there's no sugar, wait. Okay, so I've gotten sugar as well. My boarding starts at 7. Right now it's 6:28, so I have some time. Okay, so कल से as in last day था in Mumbai and I had to pack and packing was chaotic. Oh god, I mean, so technically there are few things जो मेरे को दीदी के लिए यहाँ से लेके जानी थी, which included a lot of jewelry, which included a lot of makeup, and I kid you not, makeup alone was like 6.5 to 7 kgs. Oh my god. And अभी extra baggage for 6-7 kgs is too much, especially with flights. तो जैसे तैसे करके आई कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन माई क्लोथ्स एंड आई वाज लाइक ओके, मैं शायद दीदी के कपड़े पहन लूँगी या व्हाटएवर. सो थोड़ा सामान निकल, स्टिल माई बैगेज वाज 2 kgs एक्सेस. ये भी कम लग रही है. एंड बट ठीक है, आई वाज लाइक इससे ज़्यादा अब तो नहीं निकाल सकते हैं, कुछ एक आध कपड़े तो लेके जाने पड़ेंगे. सो वो तो मैं लेके आ गई. एंड लकीली द एयर इंडिया काउंटर बैगेज ड्रॉप के लिए दे डिडंट चार्ज एक्स्ट्रा टू मी. They were like, it's okay, you can go. And I was so happy. And usually मैं बहुत ही भागते भागते एयरपोर्ट आती हूँ, बट दिस टाइम मैं बहुत ही सही टाइम पे एयरपोर्ट आई. और फॉर सम रीज़न मे बी बिकॉज लोग क्रिसमस या न्यू ईयर के लिए घर जा रहे होंगे, और यूजुअली पीपल हैव देयर हॉलीडेज़ प्लान फॉर डिसम्बर, तो उस हिसाब से भीड़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा था. फॉर ऑल्सो सम रीज़न बोर्डिंग पास कहीं पे भी स्कैन नहीं हो रहा था, तो वी हैड टू डू सम मैनुअल स्टफ एंड ऑल्सो. यार दैट्स ऑल. जा आप ही अभी भी दीदी का कुछ सामान है जो मैं लेके नहीं आ पाई हूँ, बट प्रणीत को बोला मैंने, वो लेके आ जाएगा बिकॉज वो डिलीवर नहीं हुआ. मेरी बड़ा पाव इज गुड. क्या मज़ा नहीं आ रहा चीनी का. पहले मुझे पब्लिक में शूट करने में काफ़ी अजीब लगता था, अब फॉर सम रीज़न नहीं लगता है. और प्लस पॉकेट 3 इतना कन्वीनियंट है, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा कुछ सेटअप नहीं लगता है. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजंस कि अब मेरे को कोई ज़्यादा त्रास नहीं होता है. अब मैं कर लेती हूँ. क्या हो गया है मेरे टेस्ट बड्स को. तीसरी पैकेट चीनी डालने जा रही हूँ. सो आई एम बैक. आई हैव फाइनली रीच्ड उदयपुर. एक्चुअली मैं 2 दिन पहले घर पहुंच गई थी, बट आई कुड नॉट गेट द टाइम टू शूट द आउट्रो because of course a lot of things that we have to do which is still pending for the wedding. And yes, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.